Guys, I am Sheenam. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. This time I am bringing something different than my previous videos, which is unboxing of laptop. I have purchased this laptop from Acer Mall. This is MRP of the laptop. You can see the color of this laptop is mist green as mentioned here. Let's start unboxing. I am very excited to see my laptop. I think there is one more box inside this. Yeah, there is one more box. So these are the specifications. Let me focus. I will also mention specification on the screen for more clarity. I will show you what's inside the box. Let's open it. So here is a cardboard. Let's keep it aside. So this is a laptop and here are some manuals. Yeah, there are two manuals here. So we'll check this later on. Let's see what is here. Here we have charger and power cord. Yes. Let's open these also. Here is a charger. It is a barrel pin charger. So finally, this is a laptop. If you want to buy this laptop online, then I would provide all the purchasing links in the description box, so you can check it out there also. Wow, what a beautiful piece it is. Mist green color is really very graceful. Here is Swift badging. Let me focus. Yeah. Here it is, and you can see how sleek this laptop is. First look of this laptop is really impressive. It has good selection of ports. On the left side we have charging port on the top. This is HDMI port. Below HDMI port we have USB port. So here we have two USB ports, one on this side and other on this side. The lowermost port is Type-C Thunderbolt 4 port. So you can use both of these ports for the charging. So on the right side we have Kingston lock on the top. And this one is 3.5 mm jack for audio. So this is all about the ports. This laptop is very lightweight. This was the main reason to buy this laptop. Its body is made up of magnesium and aluminum alloy. So that's why this laptop weighs only 1.05 kg. So it's pretty light in weight. Let's open it. Dual heat pipes and the hinge which lifts the device when we open the screen further enhance the laptop performance. Let me show you more clearly by side view. See? Bezels are pretty thin, will clearly visible when screen on. It has 14-inch Full HD display which is also touch screen and matte. It has 90% screen to body ratio. Highly durable antimicrobial Corning Gorilla Glass is also here. Regarding configuration, it is 16 GB RAM model and 11th generation i7 Intel processor. It has HD webcam. Let us switch on the laptop. Power button is here. No need to long press. You can see how fast this laptop boots just in 1 or 2 seconds. It is stylish and portable, thin and light laptop. Because of its lightweight, it's easy to handle and very light for traveling. Now I am thinking why I waited so long to buy this laptop. It is fingerprint scanner. I have already configured my fingerprint in the laptop. And see, it's already logged in. You can see how fast response it gives. I am very happy with the response of this fingerprint scanner also. So you don't need to enter complex passwords. It is backlit keyboard. You can switch it on from here. Let me switch off the lights and I would be able to show you more clearly. See? Let's switch on the lights and check its touch display also. Its response is also nice. Touchpad sports multi-touch gestures. With 2 fingers, you can scroll the screen up and down. So this is all in the unboxing. I will also upload the video including review of this laptop after using some days. I also received free headphones with this laptop. These are Glide 500 wireless on-ear headphones. So if you like my video, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till the next time, bye bye.